गोयचो राज्यपाल PH श्रीधरन पिल्लैक फाटल्या सप्तकांत दिल्ल्या PhD पदवीचेर आदवोगाद आयरिश रोड्रिगेसान खर आक्षेप घेतला. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन ह्या प्रकरणात लक्ष घालून चौकशी करपाची मागणी आदवोगाद आयरिशान प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालयाक पत्र बरोवन केल्या. फ्लोरिडाच्या ज्या खासगी विद्यापीठांतल्यान ही पदवी दिल्या ती नामांकीत नाशिल्ल्यान हाची दखल घेवन खर कारवाय करची अशी मागणी आदवोगादान केल्या.
I have today written to the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, seeking his intervention on a very serious issue. The issue is that the Goa Governor, Mr. Sridharan Pillai, was on 17th of March, that is last week, honored with a degree by a university all the way in Florida. The university which is not recognized. That doctorate has been conferred on our governor in total violation of law. So I have written to the Honorable Prime Minister today. I have given him the details and I have requested him to examine the whole issue, because the whole issue is the university that has conferred this so-called honorary doctorate on our governor is not a recognized university. It was the duty, in fact, of our governor to have verified from sources about the credentials of that university, which the governor has not done. So all these facts are placed today by my letter before the Honorable Prime Minister, and I am sure Narendra Modi will immediately take some action in this matter, because it was the duty of the governor, because the governor of Goa should have ensured that the solemnity and sanctity of the governor's office, and besides that our governor is also the chancellor of the Goa University. So the governor in a hurry sought to be bestowed with this so-called honorary degree, which is a sham. The degree given to this honorable governor is not even worth toilet paper. So I have in my letter to the Honorable Prime Minister sought his intervention. I have sought two things. I have said that there has to be an inquiry by the Union Home Ministry as to how this degree was conferred, and whether such a degree has been conferred on other governors just to curry favors in the interest of that university whose roots nobody knows. So all these facts are placed before the Honorable Prime Minister in the letter that I have sent to him today, and I am sure that the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will immediately take some action.